Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, we are going to be on the downswing as far as average temperatures now. In fact, we had the hottest part of the summer, and that's through August 20th through tomorrow. We see that average high at 95, but then it starts to drop. And by the end of the month, our average high is down to 93. And as our sun angle gets a little lower in the sky, we see those temperatures coming down as we would, of course, as we head toward fall. So we are going to see this heat, of course, gradually diminishing. But right now, it is still hot and sticky out there, and our heat wave does continue for at least the next couple of days. In fact, right now it's still 95 degrees with a heat index of 107 in Corpus Christi, and Doppler radar shows one shower here. Well, maybe two if you want to count that little one there. But you can see the only thing we can find on radar right now is this small brief shower, and this is in Jim Wells County, right along 281 in the southern part of the county. Otherwise, it's just steamy and dry out there. We're 92 at Rockport right now to 99 at Kingsville, and the heat index, it's been the highest near Kingsville and Alice. 112 right now at Kingsville is what it feels like, and 105 at Robstown. The wind today up to about 20 miles an hour. We won't see a big change in that tomorrow. It'll be very similar here for your Tuesday. Tonight's lows stay near 80 degrees again. In fact, it's 79 in Corpus Christi overnight, and that breeze around 10 to 15 holding steady tonight. Tomorrow we see those temperatures anywhere from 86 at 9 o'clock, but by 11 up to 92, and the heat index goes above 100 very quickly. In fact, much of the day here you can see the heat index is over 100 and reaching 108 by 1 o'clock in the afternoon as the high temperatures climb over 100 inland tomorrow. George West hitting 101, Beeville around 99, and 98 degrees at Robstown tomorrow, 97 Corpus Christi. At the beaches tomorrow, the waves come down just a little, but still 3 to 4 feet with a moderate rip current risk, and the water temperature dropped off in the past week, and today it was around 82 degrees at Bob Hall to 85 at Port Aransas Jetties. So we have pretty quiet weather now, but there is some moisture to the south we're going to watch for, and that's in our far down in Mexico and off the coastline here. Right now, though, all is quiet through tomorrow and even Wednesday, but as the higher pressure aloft, and this is what we've been talking about all summer, that is going to start shifting to the west, and that dome of heat is going to be settled right over the west coast here by the weekend, so they're going to be dealing with record heat there. But for us, as that high pulls away, it allows this area of lower pressure to come in. This tropical wave right here, that's what you're looking at. This is Thursday. It moves northward. The majority of the moisture right now looks like it's going to stay out over the Gulf, but there is going to be an increase in moisture here, and because we don't have that big high pressure system overhead to cap the atmosphere, we're more likely to see a few showers pop up. But as I mentioned, it doesn't look like it's going to be a washout by any means. In fact, not even that widespread. And rainfall amounts you can see here, and this is all the way through Sunday evening. Look at the potential rainfall. Certainly not much, less than 4/10 of an inch in the coastal bend. Most of the rain looks like it's going to be more abundant as you go up the coastline. However, as we get into the end of the month and the beginning of September, we have a slightly better chance we'll start to see some rain. Temperatures start to come down just a little bit, although we still are looking at above average temperatures here as you look all the way through September 2nd. Here's your 7-day forecast then. Speaking of above average temperatures, it is going to be hot and steamy the next couple of days, staying in the upper 90s, dropping down a little bit as we head through the end of the week and the weekend, and all these little chances here, those are slight chances that we'll see some showers or a thunderstorm.